It's No Love for Ant, back at it again with another video. Today, we got something dope for y'all. We got a C8 Corvette straight from Chevrolet.
That is indeed Cup.
Anyway, yeah, we got a C8 Corvette and we got the big Tonka. All right, so first up, we're gonna start with the C8 Corvette. It is making 495 horsepower crank. It's got 465 pounds of torque and it weighs 3,335 pounds. So like 1,000 pounds less than that. Yes, sir. So this is stock. It has nothing done to it for now. Hopefully I win and I encourage him to, you know, mod this shit, but I don't think I'm going to. Anyway, next up, we got the big Tonka. We got the grocery getter, the X3M big body. This is making, from factory, it comes 503, I'm pretty sure, because I got that competition. I'm not tuned. I got intakes, downpipes, exhaust, that's all performance mods I got. So I'm probably, I would say like a little more than that. Nothing crazy, it's just full bolt-ons. I'm making this video just because I wanted to see how a full bolt-on X3 matches with a stock C8, because obviously when you talk about this, when you say this, you think this is gonna win. But who knows, I wanna see if it's closer than expected, you know, because if it is, tune's coming tomorrow. I'm tuning this shit. If it's not, then I'm still gonna be happy. I don't really care, because, you know, these are different classes. I'm in a SUV and a fucking C8 with a Z51 package. You know, I forgot to mention that. Got the Z51 package, so upgraded brakes, more horsepower. It's dope. And I think it comes with a better exhaust. Not too sure, but this is the shit. This is the shit. They're different, but today their worlds collide. Let's make this shit happen. Let's go, boys.
Round one, fight.
All right.
It could be you fly.
Round two, fight.
Ready? Yeah, they're good.
1, 2, 3. Final round, fight.
What? Go! Bro, fucking lock in. Okay, so either way, because now I'm taking over, it's I'm not loved, not Ant isn't loved. So we had this X3 that just kicked my ass. I'm not gonna lie, was completely unexpected on that. Everyone's been saying like, oh yeah, from a what's it called? From a roll, I might have him. I don't agree. This thing is a bitch.
From my point of view, he was going and there was no catching him. He was just no catching him. After 100, I might be able to get him just because he is driving a fucking brick. But until then, I don't think anything's gonna happen. I think I'm just kicking the L today.
So basically, to translate that, if you didn't know what he was saying, is he's a bitch and I'm a real man, and I won that. Yeah, I won that shit. Thank goodness. I know at the beginning of the vid, I did expect the C8 to take that. I'm not gonna lie. This shit just made me so much happier to own it. But yeah, boys, that was fucking dope as shit. The adrenaline rush, everything, that was dope. Shout out to the two cameramen, man. Let's get the cameraman's perspectives. What did you think about that?
I low-key didn't know Ant's car was that fast. I had no idea. It was like this shit was hidden the entire time, and today he decided to floor the car. I don't know what was going on, but that shit was insane.
All right, I'm gonna be honest. I would have got both of these guys right here. If you took a look at that, take a good look at that alignment. Dig, roll, don't matter. I think I'm taking it. But honestly,
right next to you.
all of them see my taillights. But I'm gonna be honest. Being the passenger, no, the X3M, I gotta give it to him. From the jump, I knew he was gonna start spinning. The C8 wasn't gonna hook, respectfully. I knew once his turbo kicked in, I'm knocked out.
See that eye contact when he said turbo?
Can I get a tip, guys? Can we get a tip? Can we get a tip? Can I get a tip?
Not
And
me
I didn't
though.
have a good exhaust.
Just letting y'all
And he
know.
wasn't stock.
If
lying
I
ass
put a
nigga.
quarter,
This
not
is
even a quarter, if I put a
grocery getter,
percentage
bro.
of what he put into his car on my bike, he'd see nothing but me in the
Nigga, your
fucking
yeah, I was about to say, your
sky.
bikes would
I'd
be
be
in the
a
moon.
rocket ship.
Bike would be in the fucking moon.
Rocket ship.
This is you, Mark. Perfect. 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 Yes, guys. Just like that. Yes.
Round 1. Fight.
Bye, bitch ass nigga! Oh shit, we can't clip that.
Round 2. Fight.
You got it this time.
Final round. Fight.
We are in Mexico.
So I got gap out of 2 out of 3 races. I think the first one was the only like real contest.
I don't know. I gotta go on the video. I do want to say the first one is the C8s.
I do think it was mine. I do think.
I
it
think
was
I
mine.
was I was getting to you, but I think I had to let off before I
Also,
could get
yeah,
to
you let off earlier than
I
you
don't,
did.
yeah, that shit was
Where
fire.
did you get that?
Dude, that's the first ever sticker I made.
Why? I don't want it.
I'm literally talking to the camera. I look to the right. Where'd you get?
Yo, they're sharing sausage in this shit, by the way.
This nigga went like this, and Marcos goes, "It took a bite of it."
Giant Slim Jim, bro?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Between me and you did not have to give us a visual representation of what the fuck just happened.
You're right. I don't know why. Like, straight up, I'm racing a C8 with a fucking kid seat in the back. And also, I don't know if you guys know this. This is actually the Xbox 360 icon. I think this. I would give the first one to the CA, but I think again, if I had that space, I would have pulled on it. The second one, I forgot completely about. The third one, that was me starting in third gear. That was the. I don't think that you guys win.
Still gonna beat his ass out of the race, though.
CA ain't got shit on me. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the vid. It was very fun. What's it called? Eric literally also was in my passenger seat. You got a good view.